tired, man.
Oh, yeah.
But you do still have your water. You have your water bottle, though.
Yeah, sisekhona amanzi. But asiqhubeke. So looking exam, I'll tell you when I'm super tired. Nangaphandle kwalokho, seyimisele mina ngiyophuza.
Swimming?
Yeah.
With your bottle?
That
is crazy.
Ay, how I need bottle.
Tell me if you're gonna kill yourself.
Well,
that is crazy.
but what if that's something that I want to do before I die?
What is it? Swimming?
Yeah, swimming.
Okay, fuck it. Let's do it then.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
It's a good
Yo,
one.
let's swim. Let's go!
Okay.
Let's get it.
I know that you are expecting me to say that you have full remuneration and you are a cancer survivor, but unfortunately that's not the case. You see, when we did a transplant, we didn't realize that some of the cancer had advanced to other parts of your body. I'm talking about your spinal cord, your intestines. Half of your body is infected with this disease. Out of 100, you have 3% chances of surviving this.
Can you just do me one favor?
Of course.
You are not going to tell my parents about it. Actually, you're not going to tell anyone about this.
I am bound by doctor and patient confidentiality, but I sure that you do not want your parents to know about this. I mean, you're going to need all the support you can get.
It's not easy. It's not easy. You know, I've always wanted to be remembered as a happy person, a happy soul. So if these are my last days on earth, then so be it. So be it. And how many chances did you say I have?
3.
Then to me, 3 is better than 0.
Okay. If that's what you want, so.
Yeah.
How?
Later.
How do you know what it is?
Angiyazi ukuthi yini later.
Okay. Thought I should buy you this.
Thank you.
Energy bar.
Gana.
Dumelang batswadi.
Yebo kunjani Uthando?
Ke phetse haholo. Nna ka lebitso ke Nkokhelo, I'm Angela's friend. I'm just worried about her. I've been trying to call her but no response. So o teng yena nka kgona mmona.
Ke sibenenkinga emini uAngela uwile akekho right manje nje ulele.
Ha mama mara ke no kgona fela hore ke mmone fela. I won't do anything to her. Just to mbona fela.
Ulele ndodana ulele.
Mngami. Ngicabanga ukuthi simkhulule lo ndodana. Ahambe umbone. Mhlawumbe lokho kumjabulisa kakhulu umntwana. Asambe mfana.
Okay.
Tshetsho.
Okay.
You're awake, bro. Yo,
Someone.
you finally awake.
Yeah.
I was so worried about you.
Capitalists. All right.
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm just happy that you're awake, you know. Just, your parents, bro. Yo. They're so difficult.
Excuse. Kiyabonga Kokel. Kiyabonga ngumthanda. You know, they say being loved by someone completely, it gives you strength. And being loved by someone so deeply, it gives you courage. Yonke leyo nto bengayazi until I met you.
You know, for love to be trustworthy, it doesn't have to be extraordinary. Seo re se hlokang fela ke ho ratana ntle le ho kgathala. Ho tshepana. Because that's how we grow in love. But most importantly, baby, you need to love yourself first before you can love the other person. You know, they say every heart sings an incomplete song until another heart whispers the full lyrics again and again until it's a complete song. And then you know that with just every touch, everyone becomes a poet.
Hazinkokelo, being listened to is also a sign of being loved. Kiyabonga ngokungilalela. And that smile you give me, lokho kungikhombisa ukuthi ungithanda kangakanani. And abantu abaningi abakwazi lokho.
You know, the people who know love, they say love is patient, love is kind, love is tolerant. They say love incites incidents, excites immigrants, it perishes terrorists. Baby, love does not ask questions. Love is not greedy. It doesn't say who's right or what's right or who's wrong, but it says what's right. Love, it hopes, it trusts. Love perseveres.
Enye into engiyaziyo ngothando is that it never dies a natural death. Enye into futhi esingayazi ukuthi it perish from its sources. It dies because of illness, darkness, errors, betrayals. Kazinkokelo. There are two basic moving forces, fear and love. When we're afraid, we'll pull back from life. And when we're in love, sivumela uthando, futhi sithanda ngakho konke, with excitement, acceptance, and passion. Kodwa into emele siqale siyenze thina ukuzithanda in all our glory and our imperfections. Then uma sesifundile ukuzithanda, then singakwazi ukuthanda omunye umuntu and embrace life. Self.
All I know is that I love you, baby.
Nami ngiyakuthanda Kokhela. Ukuthi nje ngiyasaba mina.
Wena uqadile. Uthaba ini?
You know, bengisolo bengicabanga ukuthi impilo yami izoba njani in the next life wena ungekho. Angicabanga ukuthi ngizokwazi ukucope.
You know, I think we should go and meet my parents.
Get back.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Let me see.
At times, I cannot face myself. Always tired to listen to dreams whipping my soul with a shambok. At times, I'm my father's footsteps leading to nowhere but the door without looking back. Oh, at times, I fetch that hanging rope with hopes of seeing someone hanging me because I'm too much of a coward to do that. At times, I'm my mother's voice when she said your peers are very far and you're out here telling me about passion. At times I'm you and we are cruising in the same boat of dilemma. Praying the water turns into wine instead of whining about our financial debacle. At times we dance. We dance next to our tears till they join our sweat and together we have fun for a night. Forgetting all this world is revealing, and for that moment we are alive and happy. At times, I want to give up my pen for a penny, but the ink is swallowed by my soul, for even when the pen fails, the ink pays tribute to my pain. At times, I'm broken, and my heart is the only thing that's left. I'm still fixing all my cracks. How do I carry myself home when the only home I knew was with you?